now I'm going to spoon in the mixture. Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabella and today I'm going to cook mini cheesecakes. So first what we're going to do is put the shortbread in here, and then we're going to close it and then carefully smash it. And now for the fun bits, smashing time. This is quite heavy because it's made of marble. I would prefer you let a parent do this because it's quite heavy and you might hurt your toes. Okay, done. So I've all smashed it up and you need it to be like this very fine powder. And when you touch it, it just feels like kinetic sand. So I've cut off the top so it's much more easier for me to pour. And I'm going to pour it in now, and I've got this bigger bowl. So now I am going to take the butter and pour it in. Just bring it right in. You just need to wipe it against the side and then just use the thing that you're wiping against the side to just put it in. Pretty easy. Just how I'm doing it. Okay, so the butter. So now we're going to butter these. Need to be a bit quick, otherwise then the butter will melt. Okay, and then the next one, need to do these as soon as possible. Okay. I'd rather you ask an adult to help you because then it will be much more easier. I wanted to use it in a holder, but I realized it was going to be a bit more trickier. Okay. Don't forget the edges. So now we are going to spoon in the mixture. Spoonful. This is going to be our base of the cheesecake. Big one and didn't mash. I'm just putting a spoonful in each until there's no more left. If you want, you can tilt the bowl and relax it on the table so that you can just do this. Then there's more to grab. So now I'm going to use the back of the spoon to mash it. Well, just flat, so that you can make it flat. Wait, listen to the sound. I like these little pots. They're from Cocotte. Okay. It just tastes like that mashed thing. So this is a caramel sauce. It's from Eating Gift, and the description is below. All you need to do is just pull these. And then you can take off this one. And then this is really tricky, but you have to grab these that were wrapped around and like this, and then you just pull. See? Now it's open. I put 200 grams in here. You can lick the spoon. And now I'm going to pour this in. Double cream. Look at the texture. And then this fromage flare. Next, I'm going to crack the eggs. You might need an adult to help you. How you do it is crack it against the side twice and then open. I made an oopsie. I cracked in the bowl, but I fished them out. I would rather do it in this bowl. I'm going to crack it. Oh! Dunk. The last one. There you go. So now I'm going to pour these in. Yeah! Give it a little mix. You can poke the yellow things. It's really nice to poke. Vanilla. Let's open this and give it a small squeeze. I put vanilla and salt in there. Now let's mix it. So now I'm going to spoon in the mixture. 1 spoonful, and you need like this very big spoon. This is kind of scary. It's so gloopy. Just a little bit more on that one. So we are going to finish off with just a few more drops. 1, 2, 3. So the oven has been preheated, and now we are going to put these in. So the baking is done and they look really tasty, and now I'm going to show you it. They look yummy. Look. So now I'm going to put this Dolce de Leche on. The description is down below. Okay. Set you to side. Look how I do it. Make sure to get everything. I think we put too much. It's okay, it will taste nice anyway. Make sure to cover all the gaps. Spread it all around. Spread it evenly so that it looks pretty. Okay, done. I'm going to taste it, but I'm going to use a different spoon now. It tastes great. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching my channels, and don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Bye. Connect the hearts.